Hi, my name is Brigitte McCarthy, and I'd like to welcome you to Clare Controls here at CEDIA 2014. I'm demonstrating the new MyClareHome experience. As you know, the Clare Controls user experience is very personalized. So, for example, here, when we're looking at the control space, we can see that Dad's control space is completely different than Mom's control space. What we've done now with MyClareHome is we've realized that consumers want greater control over the experience. It's not just about arranging the personal controls in the way that you want. It's also about being able to change those controls. So, for example, what I've done here is I can log in and change my goodnight routine. I can change the name of the routine, perhaps even the order in which the actions are done when I press the goodnight routine. So here's a list of the functions that happen, and then when that routine happens. If I don't like the button that the integrator has given me, I can even create my own button. So here, for example, the leave home routine, I can create my own button. Likewise, let's say you want to be able to control your thermostat. So now when I'm looking at the thermostat, if I want to rename the name of the thermostat, or maybe look at the schedules that the thermostat is involved in, or the routines, I can also see those schedules and integrate those schedules to my Google Calendar. If I want to change the thermostat schedules because I'm out of town, I can change it in my Google Calendar and push it back down to MyClareHome. So it's a very intuitive user interface. Likewise, we've also added a couple new features where the user can actually go shopping and purchase additional equipment. So here I'm in my app, and I've decided to add a couple of new features. Let's say I want to add a couple switches and dimmers, and then once I check out in my e-commerce component, I can also decide whether I want a self-install or a professional install. I choose the professional install, and my dealer is contacted, and he calls me when my switch and dimmer arrives, and the dealer didn't have to do anything, no selling, and the dealer automatically receives some revenue share and a service call to go and install these switches. So, great new features, do-it-yourself features offered in MyClareHome that's very unique to the market.